We're in lovely Puerto Vallarta, Mexico, and we're on the waterfront, and it's time for breakfast. So we're in the Zona Romantica, or the romantic zone, which is right by the Malecon and the beach. We're just steps away from the beach and lots of different restaurants and bars. And we're near the main plaza, and here we've got some place called Serrano's. Good morning, it's David Dominé the Bluegrass Peasant, and we're trying breakfast at Serrano's Meat House here in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. It's near the beach. So once again, we are at Serrano's Meat House. I got my grapefruit juice. We're ready to get started, so salud. As the name suggests, this place is very popular for steaks and chops and other cuts of meat. Really popular at lunch and dinner, but they've got a nice breakfast menu as well. You've got some fruit items, things like pancakes and sweetbreads. You can get bagels, toast, things like that. But of course, eggs and omelets are very popular. You can get Mexican eggs, which are scrambled eggs with onions, peppers, and tomato. You can also get chilaquiles. And there's all kinds of freshly squeezed juices, grapefruit, for example, orange, and smoothies. So we're starting off with some grapefruit juice, some orange juice. We're sitting outside. You can sit inside, but outside is covered. You got fans whirring away. It's nice and cool out here. Right across the street, for example, is a lively plaza where there's lots of music and live dancing. And our orders have arrived. Ramon ordered machaca, which is dried beef with scrambled eggs. And I got kind of a build-your-own biscuit. I got a fried egg with chorizo and avocado, and I'll put this all together, and that'll be my breakfast. And Ramon has some green chilaquiles and some refried beans with his scrambled eggs and machaca. So it's time to dig in. Buen provecho, bon appetit. And then we dig in, and everything's delicious. I had some of Ramon's scrambled eggs and dried beef, the machaca, that was really good. The chilaquiles are excellent as well. My Mexican breakfast biscuit with fried egg, chorizo, and avocado was delicious. The freshly squeezed juices were great. We had coffee as well. And then the check arrives, and it's not even $15 for all of that before gratuity. So pretty affordable here at Serrano's Meat House. Sit outside next to the plaza. You're just steps away from the beach. This is a good place for breakfast in Puerto Vallarta. Buen provecho.